The United States has said it was up to Afghan security forces to defend the country after Taliban militants captured a sixth provincial capital on Monday, along with border towns and trade routes. Pentagon spokesman John Kirby, in a press briefing on Monday, said the U.S. was deeply concerned about the trend, but that Afghan security forces had the capability to fight the insurgent group. Pentagon spokesman John Kirby, in a press briefing, said that the security situation in Afghanistan was not going in the right direction as Taliban militants captured a sixth provincial Afghan capital on Monday, along with border towns and trade routes. He expressed that the United States was deeply concerned about the trend, but the Afghan security forces had the capability to fight the insurgent group and it was them to defend the country. The Taliban, fighting to reimpose strict Islamic law after their 2001 ouster, have stepped up their campaign to defeat the government as foreign forces withdraw.
The reason why not is because it's their country to defend now. This is their struggle. The commander-in-chief has given us a new mission, and that mission is to draw down by the end of this month, and that's where we're moving to. What it looks like beyond that, I'm simply not going to speculate. But this is their country. These are their military forces. These are their provincial capitals. Their people to defend, and it's really going to come down to the leadership that they're willing to exude here at this particular moment.
U.S. envoy for Afghanistan Zalmay Khalilzad has left for Qatar, where he will press the Taliban to stop their military offensive and to negotiate a political settlement, the State Department said on Monday. In talks over 3 days, representatives from governments and multilateral organizations will press for a reduction of violence and ceasefire, and a commitment not to recognize a government imposed by force. Meanwhile, Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, in a news conference on Monday, said the international community needed to look into the failures of Afghan security forces in the face of Taliban offensives across Afghanistan, instead of blaming the country for the fast deteriorating situation. Kabul and several Western governments say Pakistan's support for the Taliban allowed it to weather 20 years of war after being pushed from power in 2001. Pakistan denies supporting the Taliban.